So one of the things we have to do before we start running any of our electric is we need to kind of deal with the power that came with the van. We need to get this out of the way because we're going to be mounting cabinets up here. So this all has to come out and moved out of the way. So we're going to start pulling these guys off here. Never a good sign. There's some kind of satisfaction in, honestly, there really is. There's a satisfaction in buying a brand new vehicle and just tearing it apart. You gotta experience just once. Clean up the mess I made. I'm good at that. Yeah, you see these folks on YouTube doing the builds of used vans where they're tearing stuff apart. I guess one of the things I thought when I got a new one, I wasn't going to have to do that, but guess again. Alright, well, it's getting near dark, and it's probably time for a beer. And that's going to be it for tonight. Thanks for the little bit that we did tonight after work. More to come. I have several days off this week, so there's going to be a lot of work getting done this week, I hope. That's the goal anyway. Fishing season's about upon us, so this needs to really start happening. See you, YouTube. Oh, how can I forget that? Good night. Subscribe, like, comment. Subscribe to the channel. Click the little bell on there to get notifications. You'll know, hey, there's a new video out. So go ahead and push that button. Go ahead, I'll give you a second. Alright. Okay, well, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.